Hey guys, Ben with Kame Trick. This is a drift vlog, and when I started the day, I thought it was going to be a pretty run-of-the-mill sort of vlogging day where I would go out to a local drift event. It's our second one of the season that I've had the opportunity to attend, and I was really looking forward to it because my buddy from out of state, John, with Grassroot Digital, also a YouTuber, was going to be coming out to drive, and unfortunately, well, I thought it was going to be a run-of-the-mill, like, you know, get some car footage, do a couple ride-alongs, maybe steal a car and cut a couple of laps. One of those type of videos, like my 350Z video right here that I did last time. I just got the call before I was heading out that John has had that awful scenario happen to you that only happens in real-life drifting and never happens in sim drifting. One of the worst things that happens to you in real-life drifting, which is that you get to an event after driving 6 hours or something from out of state, and you make 1 or 2 laps and the car has issues, and then you have to do field repairs, possibly spending the entire day not doing any driving even after paying the entry fee. So this has very quickly pivoted from a, you know, drift event hangout video to a emergency field repair on your 240SX at a drift event. It looks like he's lost his alternator, so I am rushing over there. I was getting ready to leave anyway, so the timing worked out, and we're gonna see if we can get him back on the road. Also, a quick disclaimer, masks will be worn in parts of this video. It's not anything political. I'm just trying to do what would be possibly the safest thing for myself and for my friends who I'm hanging out with, just on the off chance that I'm actually the plague bearer. All right, so here's John. You gotta check out his YouTube channel, Grassroot Digital. We're walking through the Mad Max looking LKQ to try and find an alternator. Did you check to see if we can pull it from that Ultima? Like, will it fit, or are we just gonna guess?
We're gonna guess.
Hell yeah.
I'm praying that this works.
There you go, field repairs on your drift car at these events. That's why you should just stay a sim drifter.
You know, I was gonna say, fuck this real stuff, man. This sucks.
We found an Ultima, which has an alternator. Hopefully it's what we actually need. We aren't completely sure, but we're gonna pull this and take it up front where our alternator is, and hopefully it'll match up. All right, surgery is completed. Here's what we got. We'll see if this fits or not. You guys are probably already blowing up the comments saying it doesn't, but we gotta struggle because we don't have easy access to the net out here. So here we go. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like there's anything that we got, so we're sunk, and I guess that ends your day early.
Really early.
Oh, son of a bitch.
It's part of driving, though.
Yeah, it's what it is. So I guess we're gonna go back, hang out a little bit, and just see who is on track. Well, let's go look at some cars. We're gonna check out my buddy Zach making a couple laps in his newly LS swapped S13.
Nowadays shit is different. Nowadays shit is different. Nowadays shit is different. Nowadays shit. Reality's a bitch.
Yeah, I love seeing that. Zach is an awesome driver, and it's been far too long. His car's been down for repair for like, gosh, 2 or 3 years, you know, bought a house, life kind of happened. So I'm so stoked to see him back out on track. And we're on our way back home from the drift event. It was a great time. Last time when I got to drive the 350Z, I filmed a ton of content, and I really made an effort to bring you guys along and show you all of the details about the drift event. This time I took a lot of my time to actually catch up with my friends who I haven't seen because of this super long off season, no thanks to COVID. the next steps for me and my car as far as my real life drifting is concerned is to reinstall my wiring harness. I just got it back from Wiring Specialties, so shout out to those guys for the work, and then also swap in a rear main seal. I would like to document that content in edited videos, but it honestly adds a lot of time to the process. So instead, I may just bust out the work and not make content about it, or let me know what you think about this down in the comments. I might live stream during that. Now, fair warning, unlike my Assetto Corsa streams where I hang out and chat quite a bit, I wouldn't be able to do nearly as much of that if I was streaming, but it's a way that I could turn that somewhat into content and show you guys that even if I have a thin week on uploads while I focus on that I am in fact putting in the work. So let me know what you think about that. If you want to hang out with me, check out my live streams 9 to midnight Central Time every Friday, starting here on the YouTube channel and then moving to twitch.tv/Kametrick. Give that channel a follow as well, helping to grow a brand new Twitch channel here for Kametrick. And if you want to get into drifting yourself, I've got a couple of rad videos that are popping up on the screen right about now that are going to show you how to drift without spinning out, which is one of my favorites, and I'll let YouTube algorithm decide what else you might be interested in. So as always, thank you guys for watching, hitting like, subscribing, and hanging out with me. Have a good day. Peace!